Okay, hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to use the textures and to connect them correctly. You can see I use the display slab and the roughness slab to attach to window. Ctrl D, and I will show you what I will be doing next. Okay, so I can quickly go here, so I can focus on that window, because I want to import here shaders from from Ambient CG. First of all, I will add a new material to slot. Wood 02. I feel a little bit tight, but I would like to show to you. If I left mouse button, I will drag new material. Oh yes, it didn't work first time. Because I wanted to show you how I will connect maps. I just have to choose one map. Painted wood. Oh, this is perfect. Quite a new material. I haven't used this material. And what I will do, I will create folder, because I need to add files to that folder. We have completely different texture. Display map, ambient occlusion color map. This is the review. I think I will first connect a color map. Add input texture coordinate. Add vector mapping. I will use texture UV to vector. I will connect. I feel a little bit tired today, but I will publish video tutorial. Then add the texture, image texture. I will connect to vector. I think now I can connect to base color. We connected our texture. It looks a little bit dark, but when you use lamp cycles, when you use purple light, you can also use color management to be able to see texture vector. Also make sure when you save the texture, use this option File, External Data, Automatically Back Resources. Now I will import different map this place. The input texture coordinate the vector mapping texture. I will lower this window. I think I could actually make bigger. UV to vector, then texture, image, texture, vector to vector. Oh, also, we don't have, we have non-color data, but you still have to use option when you go to add converter RGB to VW. I think now you have to add vector displacement. When you go to top window, where's preview icon? Okay, I didn't go where I'm supposed to go. Scale, I will use like this. You connect this to this. And I think you connect this to this. It is barely visible, but we add it because you can see some visible shapes here. I know wood is dark, but final render will show visible displacement map. We can also import roughness, so your wood material will be more visible. Add the input texture coordinate, add the vector mapping I have to copy, I have to get a roughness map, non-color, we have to select, add converter, and this. And that one needs to be plugged in to roughness. Okay, where are some reflections? They're supposed to be visible. I think index of refraction helps a lot, so that our map will be more visible. You can see my render time is much quicker when I use RTX graphics card. Huge difference. But I have to check my temperature. It's not too bad. And I just have to do final render after connecting all nodes all together. I didn't import ambient occlusion map because in the past I did it different way. Okay, okay, I have to turn everything back on. Give me a few seconds, because I must move my camera. Okay. Texture. Okay, I just have to check. This should look different. It looks a little bit too gray. I think I will have to check something. I don't know if this was good idea that I was connecting. In viewport, everything seems to be okay. Maybe I shouldn't connect to this. Well, in viewport, look, it looks okay. I just have to check because this looks too gray. What if I disconnect? Because I connected a little bit different way. Okay, my map. You can see we have texture coordinate. Second manipulate texture. Okay, I will reset value. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial, but this window, because I used a completely different texture, but for this texture I also did the same, little bit different way than before. You can see how this is connected all together. I hope you like my video tutorial. Working with RTX graphics card make huge difference. Everything seems to be running very smooth. Even if you render in real time, huge difference. When I worked with GTX 1070, it was slower than RTX. See you guys.